Brussels sprouts, they don't get a great rap, and I get it, because if you overcook them or don't cook them right, they can be not so special. But I have a fantastic recipe for you. This is my twice cooked Brussels sprouts. So what I'm going to do is steam them first and then make them super crispy and serve them with a delicious mayonnaise. So I'm going to be doing this in the air fryer. This air fryer not only grills, air fries, it also steams. So I've just preset it to the steam mode. And what I've done with my Brussels sprouts is just cut a little cross in the base. This is going to help them cook evenly. So into the basket, you can see all that beautiful steam that's been trapped in there, and we'll just place them in. And we'll steam them till they're tender. While we wait for them, let's get onto the mayonnaise. So in a bowl, I'll add some mayonnaise, so whole egg. And to that, I'll add some chipotle in adobo sauce. You can get this from all your supermarkets now. It comes as whole chilies in a rich, spicy tomato sauce. So just be sure to give it a really good chop. For some sweetness, some maple syrup. And for that little bit of zing, some lemon. So I'll just cut the lemon in half. We'll keep the other half for a garnish and put a good squeeze of that in there. You could also use lime if you like. All right, and I'll just stir that until it's completely combined, and that right there is so delicious with potatoes, Brussels sprouts, carrots, anything. That is just fantastic. The reason for that is you get that smokiness from the chipotle, it's a little bit spicy, and then you get creaminess from that mayonnaise. Just perfect. Okay, and now we wait. Brussels sprouts have been steamed, and I've just allowed them to cool slightly so I can handle them. And you want to take out all the moisture from the basket because now it's time to fry these. So we'll just pop this basket in for now while we prepare them. You could air fry these as is and they would be super delicious, but if you want maximum crunch, what I suggest is placing it on your board, getting a really heavy pan and crushing it. Perfect. Now, it may not look like anything right now, but as that starts to air fry, it becomes super crispy. And you can add flavours to this, so I'm going to add some more oil, salt, and some cumin seeds, a fantastic addition to these Brussels sprouts. All right, let's have a look. Ooh, crispy Brussels sprouts. That's what we're after. Look at that. See how they're dark on the outside? I can feel that they're still soft in the centre. It's the best of both worlds, and this is why this is my favourite way of cooking Brussels sprouts. I've also included another rack here. By doing that, you can do double layers, so extra Brussels sprouts for everybody. So we'll just pile them up onto a plate. And I really don't mind if some of them break. In fact, I'm happy for that because that means they're going to be even crunchier than the perfect ones. So the more imperfect, the better for this. All right, a few more. Just spreading them out. And our chipotle mayonnaise, give that a stir and just go wild with the mayonnaise. We'll just drizzle that all over the top. Looking good. Some more lemon and extra virgin olive oil, and that's an exceptional way of preparing Brussels sprouts. Delicious as is, or fantastic as a side, particularly with a roast chook. Yum.